You see all those germs flying around. Yes, there are germs in your bathroom. No matter how clean you are, no matter how neat you think you are, there are germs flying all around. They are going to purge on the soap, and they are going to make the soap lose potency. So when the germs purge on your soap and you take it back to your skin, it's going to irritate your skin, especially for those people who have like sensitive skin. To nourish your skin, brighten your skin, and it's good to maintain your skin at the same time. It's not going to give you any form of dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and all of that. It's very, very good for people, women of color. It can be used for face and body. All of these soaps are soap that can be used for face and body. Nobody should tell you that they are going to list out complexion maintenance soap that cannot be used for both face and body. Personally, I don't have a facial soap different from my skin. Now, when it comes to making decision as to the kind of soap you want to use, be it liquid soap or bar soap, is totally dependent on your skin type, your preference, as well as your budget. Because the thing is, bar soaps tend to be very, very budget friendly as opposed to liquid soap, which is why a whole lot of people, settle for bar soaps, because of course they can do the job amazingly, and then again they are very, very affordable.
Hold me close till I get up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, hi, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Without wasting much of your time, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about complexion maintenance body care soap. Like, they are not just limited to complexion or maintaining your skin, also going to tackle major skin concern that you'll be facing. Okay, when it comes to making decision as to the kind of soap you want to use, be it liquid soap or bar soap, is totally dependent on your skin type, your preference, as well as your budget. Because the thing is, bar soaps tend to be very, very budget friendly, pocket friendly, as opposed to liquid soap, which is why a whole lot of people, settle for bar soaps. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's delve straight into the video. Now, the very number one bar soap I have here is CeraVe Gentle Cleansing Bar. This particular soap is very, very good. Now, why I listed it first is because it's a complexion maintenance soap that is highly moisturized. It's not dry out the skin. It's meant for all skin types. So no matter your skin type, this soap is suitable for all skin type. I keep telling people, if for any reason you don't know your skin type and you're still finding it difficult to figure out your skin type, you should go for skincare products that is meant for all skin type. That way it keeps you on the safe side of maybe reaction or whatsoever. Okay, now this particular soap is very, very nice, and it's also very accessible. You can actually pick it up in your skincare store, but as to the price listing, I'm not too sure, because prices varies based on location, based on where you get your skincare products from. It doesn't strip your skin. It works for both face and body, so you don't have to worry about freakouts and stuff like that. The next one on my list is turmeric soap. Now, this turmeric soap is very, very affordable. The last time I checked, I think it's selling for 1,100 as at last week. Okay, as at last week. This is the 7th of August. So when I say last week, like first, second, I think. I don't know how much it is currently selling for right now, but the last time I checked, it's selling for 1,100. This particular soap is very, very good, especially for people with black spots or acne breakouts. This soap will help lighten up your dark spot and helps to tighten your pores, and it also helps to, clear blemishes on the face. Like, this turmeric soap is one soap you should try out, and for some reasons I know a lot of people uses it only on the face and all of that, but it's good for both face and body. You can actually use it. Turmeric soap is very, very, very nice. Now, the very next one on my list is the Hawaii Premium Gold Bar. Hawaii Premium Gold Bar is a very, very nice soap that is amongst the Hawaii range. This one lightens the skin as opposed to the other range. I have tried out the papaya. I've tried out the papaya on. The carrot does not work for me, so I tried out the purple one, and it's very nice. It smells really, really nice and soft. When you come out of the bathroom, you feel very, very fresh and all of that, feel very pampered. But this one is the premium one that lightens the skin, but it does not give like 2 shades lighter. It just blends your skin tone. It just enhances your skin tone, brightens it, glows it at the same time. And it has kojic acid, papaya, glutathione, argan oil, and a whole lot of other ingredients that will help tackle major skin concerns. So you shouldn't worry about, like, this particular soap darkening your skin. It gives you this yellowish undertone. Nothing too much, like nothing too much, but yes, it's very, very, very nice. Personally, I highly recommend for everybody. Like, even if you're dark skin, you're still going to use it. But yes, it has kojic acid, glutathione, and all of that. Now, why I said it can be used for whether dark skin or caramel skin or light skin, it is because of the argan oil in it, because that helps to neutralize the effect or potency of the glutathione, kojic acid, and other lightening properties that is infused into the soap. Okay, yeah, lest I forget, it also has carrot extract. So yeah, it is very, very concentrated to tackle like dark spot. This particular soap was solely made for people with dark spot, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. All right, now the very next one on my list here is the nano extra vitamin C soap. This is from Nano. Okay, you guys can see this. It has vitamin C, the Filipinos formula, and it's very, very nice. I think this is the second bar I've used. It has SPF 40. So what actually attracted me is a vitamin C that is infused into this bar, and it's very, very big. I think I bought this for 1,300 naira as at 2 days ago, and yeah. So when I tell people how to actually use their bar soaps, it feels like, oh, you don't practice what you preach, but it is absolutely important to know how to use your bar soaps in order to retain the potency of the soap. Because of everything like that and keep it, is going to melt out. This soap melts out a whole lot. This particular soap tackle dark spot as well. It lightens the skin, especially. See, the first one I got was very, very nice on my face. So yeah, that's why I went back to get the second one. But I noticed that the colors are different, and I don't know why I would not have like trashed the first one away. And it's also vitamin C, nano extra white vitamin C. One is lighter as opposed to the other one. So I don't know why. Okay, but I'm still going to check and know if I'm omitting anything, or maybe something is wrong, or I got one was fake. So according to them, nano after soap with natural vitamin C nourishes, lightens, and removes all impurities of your skin while cleansing. It leaves your skin feeling smooth, silky. It is specially formulated for acne, eczema, wrinkles, and age spot. If for best result, use every time you shower. So if now what they said here, the next thing they said here is that you should avoid like freshly broken or freshly shaved skin. Okay, so if you just newly shaved your skin, you don't need to use this soap on those areas because it's going to irritate your skin. Because of course we all know that nano and kojic and some other soaps like that tend to irritate the skin. That is why a lot of people would say, oh, it did not work, it irritated my skin. So you need to know how to use bar soaps. Like I said, bar soaps irritate the skin and they can be very, very, very drying. Okay, next one on my list is the Clare Nature 3-in-1 soap, notified with toners, and is also made with oatmeal, which oat is very, very good for the skin. It nourishes the skin and firm the skin as well. It's also good for like anti-aging. It also helps to lift saggy skin, and I highly recommend for people who have like problematic skin. Like I said, they are complexion maintenance body soaps, and they are also meant to tackle some major skin concern or major skin issues on your skin. Okay, next one on my list is Clare Essence. Okay, Clare Essence is made with it's very, very good to nourish your skin, brighten your skin, and it's good to maintain your skin at the same time. It's not going to give you any form of dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and all of that. It's very, very good for women of color. It can be used for face and body. All of these soaps are soap that can be used for face and body. Nobody should tell you that they are going to list a complexion maintenance soap that cannot be used for both face and body. Personally, I don't have a facial soap different from my skin because I don't have like, I mean, where's the money? What to buy face soap different and everything different. Like at the end of the day, you're going to have like more like a shelf for your skincare products. But yeah, like if you're going to buy anything, make sure it's something that can be used for both face and body. Even though a lot of people tend to break out, a lot of people tend to, no matter how good the product is, we still react on some people differently, which is why I highly recommend that sometimes it's also good to see a dermatologist so that you'll be recommended some products, especially for those people who do not know their skin type. Now, how do you use bar soaps for it to work very, very well for you? You see how this soap is. Now I think I brought it out and it was half, right? So usually I will cut this soap into 3 equal half. It was just my niece that cut it like this. I didn't know when she was doing it. If not, I would have told her. It is not good. It's absolutely wrong for you to expose your bar soap for more than 1 week because it's going to lose potency. Okay, and it still is now going to start irritating your skin. So what you need to do when you buy your soap, cut it into 3 equal half, depending on how big the bar is. Okay, cut it into either 2 or 3 equal half, and then put back the remaining one into the pack that it comes with, and then make sure the other one does not maybe just 1 week, 1 week to 8 days at most. Let it not get to 14 days because it's when your soap is exposed. You see why most time it seems as if liquid soap tends to work, or shower gels don't tend to work better than bar soap. It is because shower gel is, the gel is always in the jar, so you're just pumping the quantity you need. You don't need to, you don't have any reason or whatsoever to open it, like keep it open, because it's going to lose potency. And see all those germs flying around. Yes, there are germs in your bathroom. No matter how clean you are, no matter how neat you think you are, there are germs flying all around. They are going to purge on the soap, and they are going to make the soap lose potency. So when the germs purge on your soap and you take it back to your skin, it's going to irritate your skin, especially for those people who have like sensitive skin. Secondly, you need to have an oil. Like some people try to put like drop some few amount of oil into their bathing water and then bath with it. For me, I feel like that's a waste of oil, because when you pour your oil into your water and you're bathing with it, oil and water, they are two different things. So oil is going to separate itself. So sometimes if you fetch the water, like if you're using shower, how do you now use oil to, or like, it doesn't just even make sense to me. So what you need to do after coming out of the shower, you don't need to dap off your body completely. Like I said, bar soap tends to dry out the skin a whole lot, so you just dap off your skin like mildly, and then go in with oils on your skin. Then you can now mix your oil and your serum and rub into it. Make sure this, your body is dampy before going in with your lotion. That way it's not going to dry out your skin, and it's not going to like strip your skin. That is the essence. Okay, yeah, that being said, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to do that. It's very, very important. That way YouTube will help recommend the videos to people who want to see something like this. I hope I see you guys in my next one very, very soon. It's important to let me know your video suggestions down the comment section. That way it gives me a clear guide on what you guys actually want to see. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.